Flanders here. Welcome back to my channel. We are still on Bootstrap, where I'm showing you everything I did to make this website. This is a Bootstrap website that is mobile friendly, user friendly, and highly responsive. We have made our project, and this is how far we have gone from the navigation, the slider, and the welcome section. Now we're going to make this beautiful section here called why choose online web class, but ours is called Boot School. So let us get started. To make that section, first we create a div of class container dash fluid. This is the container that spans across the width of your screen, okay? And this container, we give it another class called Jumbotron, okay? Jumbotron. This will separate it to make it different from any other containers that you have on your website. So if you refresh this, you will be able to see this is the class here, okay? Let us give it a margin top here, so you stop touching the buttons. Then inside that class, that Jumbotron, we create a div of class container. This is to ensure that our content is not touching the ends of our screen, okay? Then inside the container, we create a row, so another div of class row, okay? As you can see here, this is divided into two. From here you can clearly see very well, and if you look at the code here, you can see there's a division, okay? So when we divide this into two, what we do to create this division is to create one side of 6 columns and another of 6 columns, okay? So this is what we do here. So before we divide, we have a heading, which is why choosers. So this heading is in a div of columns, okay? So inside here we have a h1 tag, okay? For heading we have why choose Boot School, okay? Then below that, now we are going to divide our, this should be inside the row, okay? It should be inside here. Then now we are going to divide the row into two major columns. So div of class column call dash md for medium dash 6, and we want how many? You guessed it right, 2, okay? Then we save. So now we refresh our website here and see what we have. You see, we have a why choose Boot School, and now we have this other section, okay? So to make this centered, we are going to, in this row here, we're going to give it a class, so text dash center. Now we refresh and it has gone to the center, okay? Then below, as you can see, it's the same here. It's at the center here. Here it's at the center. And if you want it to be this nice looking, you're just going to give it another class from here. So we give this a class of display dash 4, so that will make it different. Display is a Bootstrap class, you see, that makes nice looking texts, as you can see. Now we have divided now into two here. The first 6, we create an image, so okay, image source is the same as this. We're going to use the same image. Okay, so we're going to use this image. So we take our image and use it here. Then let us add some height of maybe 400, so we can see how it will look like. Then width of 400 and save. Then we refresh. You see our image is here. Maybe we should have added a bit of width here. Let's make this 400. Let's just reduce the height to maybe 350 and width to remain 400. So we refresh, and as you can see, it's nice, but still let us just add some width here to 500 and see. You see the results. Better. Actually, it's nice that way, but you can see what we have here. Let us see the dimensions. From it's 500 height, 500 width. Okay, just use the same dimensions. I don't think so. Let's just keep our dimensions. Okay, so then on the right, and let us give it a margin from here. So empty dash to margin top. Then from the right here, as you can see, what we have here is a heading. We are the best. Okay, then a paragraph, then the buttons. Okay, so here we are going to have a heading, a h2 tag. So boot school is the best. School. Okay, then below it we can have a paragraph with dummy text. Okay, and below that we can have another paragraph with dummy text. Okay, then below that we can have a horizontal ruler, and below that let us have our buttons. Remember our buttons, the buttons we've been using here. These are our buttons, so you can still just use them here below the ruler here, that way, and save. So we refresh our website from here and see what we shall have, and there you have it. But now before we are done with it, let us add a margin. See here, this is margin 2. Okay, we want this to go lower than that, so this one we give it a margin 4. Okay, margin top 4. Now we refresh this and see the changes. As you can see, it looks very nice. It looks very, very nice, and it's almost coming together. Thank you for watching this video. Like it, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video.